Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this beautiful moment and past month and inshallah berkah, I am get achievement for my lecture memory ini, and this is occasion I will sharing about little my knowledge about parts of the ships. Okay, before the topic I will explain. There are four types of vessel which I will explain. Number one, multi-purpose vessel. Number two, an oil tanker. And number three, a container vessel. And number four, bulk carrier, elevation or profile. Okay, before I explain this material, I am excuse me for introduce myself. My name is Dedon Kriawan, and I am from Polytechnic Bumi Akmali. Okay, let's us enjoy. Number one, a multi-purpose vessel is a seagoing ship that is built for the carriage of a wide range of cargoes. For example, of these cargo are wood, steel, building materials, rolls of paper, and bulk cargo. Multi-purpose vessel can be divided into the four categories: vessel with and without cargo gear, coastal trade liners, and sea rival vessel. Okay, you can see. Number two, there are an oil tanker. The main function of this vessel is for carrier oil and fuel oil, gas, and other. As I know, in Indonesia, the company which have this vessel is Pertamina Company, Bogasari Company, and many more. Okay, next, number three, a container vessel. The main function of this vessel is a vessel for carrier container. The container usually used for export-import goods. Export-import goods. For example, from Indonesia to Malaysia, Australia to Japan, America, and many more. As I know, the company which have this vessel, that is a big company, that is a Evergreen, okay, Evergreen. As I know, many more advisor and the seamen have now that company. Okay, number four, bulk carrier, elevation or profile. Bulk carriers is a type of ship with largest propulsion. These vessels are primarily for carrying bulk cargo, such as coal, iron, or grains, mineral, etc. In contrast to general cargo ships that can load several different types of cargo, bulk carriers usually carry one homogeneous types of cargo. In Indonesia, the company which have this vessel, as I know, Gurintha Lintas Samudra. Okay, you can see now to the topic, the parts of a ship. Here are just a few parts of a ship and its function. Number one, tanker ship is a kind of vessel which carries oil. A tanker is a ship designed to transport oil or its derivative products. The main types of tankers include oil tankers, chemical tankers, and LNG carriers. Among the various types of tankers, supertankers are designed to transport oil around the Horn of Africa and the Middle East. The Knock Nevis supertanker is the world's largest carrier. Number 2, an anchor is a device for anchoring a ship to the bottom of the sea, rivers, lakes, and other waters. With the ship anchor, the ship will not move due to the wind, current, or waves when the anchor is lowered. Okay, number 3, bow, the front of a vessel. Bow, the main function of this section is to reduce ship resistance during exploitation, exploitation or operation of a ship. The working principle of the bulbous bow is to generate waves or interfere with ship waves coming from the bow, so that the incoming waves will lose power due to wave interference from the bulbous bow. Okay, next. Fore and aft. From the bow to the stern, fore is towards the front, aft is towards the back. Next, hull. The main body of the boat principle is hull has 2 decks. And then keel. The timber at the very bottom of the hull that runs from the bow to the stern, often called the ship backbone. And that line, word for a roof, windlass. The main use of the windlass is as a line or fuller of proof. For example, chain. Okay, junk windlass has the ability to lift anchors and an average speed of 5 to 6 fathoms or minutes from a depth of 30 to 60 fathoms. Okay, and then navigation lamp is a party of mast to indicate a sailing vessel. All ships sailing at sea must be equipped with navigation light in accordance with the requirements of the International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea, as also stipulated by the International Maritime Organization. Okay, and then mast, large wooden spare used to hold up the spars and the rigging. There are usually the mast, the first mast at the bow, the main mast in the middle, and the main mast as the stern. Okay, next. Port. When facing the bow, the left side of the shape, reaching the lanes that support the mast and move and sails, and many more. Rudder, a blade attached under the stern as a stern used for steering. Starboard, when facing the bow, the right side of the ship. Stern, the back of a vessel. Bridge, flash in deck which to operate ship movement. The bridge, this is place for a visor. This is a main room which used by officer for operation the ship. In this room, there are captain, first officer, second officer, and many more. Okay, and then propeller. The propeller is a main parts of the vessel which is to move the ship. Okay, the propeller, they have ports by the main engine. Okay, so for moves the propeller, they have they have uh, they have ports from main engine. So the vessel will move by one place to other place use propeller. Okay, and then tank is the compartment to carry oil. Pipeline is pipe arrangement to transfer oil from tank to port. In the vessel, any more types of pipeline. For example, which I know, the red pipe as a fuel oil, and the gray pipe as a exhaust manifold, and the black pipe as a bilge pipe, and then the yellow pipe as a lubricating oil, and blue pipe as a freshwater pipe, and the green pipe as a seawater pipe, and another. Okay, and then let's live buoy is safety equipment to save men overboard. Okay, the life buoy is the essential parts in the vessel when the life buoy is support to all crew in the vessel for safety when they are working in the vessel. Okay, part of the ship based on the structure as follows. There are starboard beam, port beam, starboard bow, dead ahead, port bow, port quarter, dead stern, starboard quarter, and many more. Okay, parts of ship in a bulk carrier. You can see in here number 1, hold, number 2, hold, number 3, hold, to number 7, hold. In here there are machinery room, bridge, and other. Okay, next, part of ship based on function equipment as follows. You can see in here anchor, waterline, depth sounder, cargo tank, fire system, cargo, and there are 4 cargo, double hull, cargo manifold, fire system, inner case, engine room, propeller, rudder, bridge, radar, mast, house, leg boat, stick, container, finder, and many more. Maybe that's my explanation regarding the parts of the ship. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this video will be of benefit and knowledge to you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, keep spirits for fasting. Don't forget till maghrib. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.